Hey, it's Mark Ling here again, and in this video we're going to look at setting up WordPress. Now, you may end up having your hosting company do it for you. Perhaps you can just ask them to set it up. If not, you should get given access to your cPanel. They'll probably email that to you, your login access to your cPanel. Like I said, they might even install it for you, but if not, just get your login access to your cPanel from your hosting company that's hosting your domain name, and scroll down to the bottom and just click on WordPress Manager, and then click Create Site. We'll make sure there's it's not in a folder, it's just in the main one. Okay, so greatlifehappiness.com, and then you can pick a admin username, password. You can give yourself, you can give your site a name if you want to. I wouldn't get too worried because you can change that later. Great Life Happiness. Just say helping people live their best lives ever. I'll leave that as is. I've got to make up username, password, and what? I thought they matched. Let's try that again. Yeah, they do match. Right, and then just make up an email address. Say one that I don't read, and then I will click install. Password does not enter a password with the strength of 65 or greater. Okay, so click install. Try that. Okay, and now we are set up. I'm just covering up my login credentials, but you get the idea. And now if I go over to the site, you'll see that there is like a really basic WordPress site in here. That's what it should look like. Or it might look different depending on what the default is that WordPress sets up for you, but it'll look pretty ugly and basic. That's where we're aiming to be at this point in our progress. If we want to log into our website now, it's as simple as going to whatever your domain is, .com/wpadmin, and then you enter in your username and password. And then you click login. And there we have it, and that's the end of this particular step. Now we have WordPress set up. Great. Okay, so in the next video, we'll look at customizing things from here. Bye for now.